In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install ChurchCRM start to finish on some shared hosting. So first, you want to visit our webpage and click on the download button. That will take you to the GitHub releases page where you'll be able to download a zip file. You should end up with a zip file named according to the version which you're installing. Next, I'm going to jump over to my shared hosting page. In this case, I'm using DreamHost, but you can really use any shared hosting you want as long as they have PHP support and MySQL. So I'm going to click Add Hosting to a subdomain, and I'm going to create a new subdomain for ChurchCRM. That way I don't have to worry about messing around with different root paths and things like that. We're going to create a new user for this account, and we'll accept the default web directory. You'll want to use at least PHP version 5.6. I always recommend you use HTTPS. For this demonstration, I'm not going to, but you can get a free HTTPS certificate from Let's Encrypt. And we will fully host this domain. After creating a domain and a hosting area for ChurchCRM, we also need to create a MySQL database. So I'm going to call this ChurchDB demo. We'll use the host name. We can create a new user account. We'll make a password. We'll add that database now as well. After you create a database, you will want to upload the entire program directory to your server. You can use any program you want, really. In this case, I'm using WinSCP so that I can transfer these files securely. You can also use FileZilla, or really any other FTP or SFTP application. In this case, I'm in the 217 folder directory that I've downloaded locally and extracted the zip file. And I'm also in my remote server directory. So I'm going to get rid of everything that's already up there. And I'm going to select everything from the program directory and drag it up. And this will take a minute or two. So after the application has been uploaded to your server, you can go ahead and log into the URL. And the very first thing you'll see is a setup page detailing some of the requirements for ChurchCRM. In this case, it looks like I have some unmet requirements. However, these detections are not foolproof, and some servers, even though they're capable of running the application, may report unmet requirements. So I'm going to click the I know what I'm doing button, install anyway, and in here we just need to enter some server details. So I've entered the server name. In most cases this will be localhost, but on some shared hosts you may have to enter an actual host name or IP address of your MySQL server. You'll also need the database username that you created earlier in your cPanel or whatever kind of backend interface you have. Database name, database user, your password, and root path. Since this is on a subdomain of my primary domain, and it's not in a subdirectory, I don't need to put anything here. However, if you're installing ChurchCRM into a subfolder in your main domain, you do need to enter a root path. So I'll go ahead and hit Setup. This will install the tables and get the application ready to use. The first time you launch ChurchCRM, it will prompt you to change your password. The default password is ChangeMe, and it will prompt you to enter your new password twice. And there you have it, a brand new install of ChurchCRM. Thanks for watching.